Kid.
Hi friends, I'm so excited for today's activity. Look, we have some alphabets here. Hi alphabets. Friends, do you know the names of these alphabets? A T. A says A. T says T. At. It's the at family. Did you know that we can make new words by adding different alphabets before at? Let's try and find out. K. A. T. Cat. Can you say cat? Great job! B. A. T. Bat. Can you say bat? Awesome! F. A. T. Fat. Can you say fat? You're doing so good. A. T. Hat. Can you say hat? Great job. A. T. Mat. Can you say mat? Great job. P. A. T. Pat. Can you say pat? Awesome. R. A. T. Rat. Can you say rat? Great job. S. A. T. Sat. Can you say sat? Awesome! We had so much fun learning the at words. Did you? Remember to be kind, friends. You're so amazing. And stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.